them. They're penguins. They eat fish, but can't remember what my mom said.
Do you remember do they eat anything else besides fish?
No, they only eat fish.
They only eat fish. And where do they live?
In the North Pole.
No, it's her turn to talk. Where do they live?
Oh, no. It has to go all the way down.
All the way down. Do you know what that place all the way down is called?
They are. I know what it's called. It's different. They're different penguins. They're not macaroni penguins.
Just regular penguins?
No, but they both. And they are not. They don't fly. They are not great fly. They can't not fly, but they are
Everybody
great
knows
swim.
that.
They can eat fish. They eat fish.
And do they live where it's hot?
They live where it's cold. And they are great swimmers.
Great swimmers?
They both the mom and dad both take care of the baby chick. They are tall.
All right. Is there anything else you want to say?
Is there penguins at the zoo? There can be. Yeah, there are. They're in the
They're penguins.
All right. Let's give her a round of applause.